Ebyagambo mu rusitamo rw'ishenjero rizoborwa abarukurirwa umuhezo wa Speaker Thomas Tayebwa bwa nyuma ya Minister w'ebyobwegyese kushohoza ekihandiiko kirikworeka ngu ekitongore kya National Council for Higher Education kikoziremu enshobe mu kuhandika aha mikutu yakyo kandi ngo nibenda kureeta empinduka omu mateeka ngu amashomo tigakuhwaho bitu nigaba nigetenga kuterezebwa gakatambura n'omutindo guri omu katare.
See the notice that was issued by National Council of Higher Education. We have studied the notice. It is an administrative function that National Council of Higher Education is carrying out to review the courses. The use of the word expiry may have been a bit overboard, but that was their choice, and I think they're going to correct that. But under our law, there is no provision for expiry of courses. Courses are continuous. So the country needs to remain calm. There is no law that provides for expiry of courses. The courses are still valid. It was just, I think, a bad choice of word.
Abazadde saga mweralikirire n'abayizi temweralikirira buli woli bwera nga wagenda mu university n'osoma degree university zafuna olukusa kye tuyita accreditation okuva mu National Council for Higher Education okusoma kwo kutuufu ne degree yo ijja kuba recognized si mu Uganda yokka.
Chairman w'akakiiko k'ebyobwegyese nagira ngu akakiiko kiine ebintu ebikarikuza kutereza omu iteeka kureba ngu enshobi nk'ezi tizagaruka kubaho.
Universities na National Council of Higher Education bashimuka bagambe ekigambo eki kimwe. So whereas Minister nabo yatugambira amazima kugira iteeka kururi nk'itwe nk'akakiiko notarangwa kiro ebizibu bingi. So ekitwasharamu kukora ebyo nakuza kubaho akabaho ki. So turiyo tweta Minister of Education tuzagane ubizanye cyakane nkantu enda bize na National Council of Higher Education bize na Vice Chancellors forums zone za universities both private and secondary.
Baba nyishenjero bagira National Council for Higher Education ekanjira abantu kandi babashabo kwihara enshobi nkezi.
Omuntu wawe wasomera degree yawe okakebzamu okashoro kadanka kukora mbajira batangu degree ngo expiring amajezo wagatiro mutwe ni expiring waiza so minister yiza yatsobora kandi na attorney general yatsobora ngutaraho ekiragiro ekiru kugira ngo degree ne expiring
konka harhoza universities ezitandikire zitakatungire accreditation kimanyisa ngo akakiiko ka National Council for Higher Education tikakazusuzumire tubakabahire license yo kukora wareba ezo nanabeja baramu bashimire kwegendesereza.
Akakiiko k'ishenjero nikija kubugana ba National Council for Higher Education izo baryanyenja karo kuganira hanshongeji gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.